Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Tina. In today's video, I show you how to DIY CNY decoration at home for your children's room door. The decoration I'm about to show you today is very easy to make using supplies you already have at home. We'll make two kinds of door hangers, one for boy, one for girl, followed by this infinite loops of good luck flowing out of red packets to bring in all the good fortune and good health into our children's lives. To make the lucky pouch door hanger, you'll need gold chain. Here I'm using this gold chain for my Christmas deco garland, pearl stickers, red and gold flower embellishments, and red felts. First, outline the shape of the pouch. Layer the second felt layer over the outlined one. Cut along the outline on both felt layers. Make it clean. Second, cut the gold chain to the length you want so that it looks like the pouch handle and can hang over the door handle. Hot glue both of the layers and the gold chain together. Here is how it looks like, so cute. Third, go ahead and decorate it with jewel stickers and embellishments. Here, my daughter is helping to decorate her room door hanger. This is a great CNY deco activity to involve your children with. Now, we'll cut out the Chinese good luck phrase from this 2021's red packet and hot glue right in the middle like so. Then go ahead and hot glue the red and gold embellishments around the good luck phrase. So we have pearls and gems overflowing out of this cute little lucky pouch. Finally, cut off any excess, remove glue spider webs. Voila! Here is your DIY lucky pouch door hanger for your children's room. Just simply adorable and very fitting. It doesn't make any sounds, won't wake up the sleeping beauties. For the next DIY, take a yellow and red felt with yellow and royal blue embellishment. As you can see here, the top opening for the pouch has a simpler and straight shape. Voila! How royal and precious is this? I truly love it. For the next DIY lucky door decor, all you'll need is stapler and red construction paper. It's only two simple steps. First, fold accordion folds widthwise and cut along your folds. Second, form a loop and staple it. Form second loop over the first loop, stapler, and continue to the length you desire. This is how the infinite loops look like. It's quick and easy to make. Finally, to hang it up on the door, we'll tape it like so. Tape two red packets on the top. You can use double-sided tape or use a regular tape and turn it into a double-sided tape like so. Make adjustments where needed. Hide the stapler pins. Voila! Here is your DIY lucky door decoration. Festive, quick and easy DIY CNY decoration to do at home with your children for your children's room door. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Be sure to watch this video on other CNY decoration ideas and activities for kids using recycled materials. You will be glad that you did. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye, take care. See you in my next video.